Gattu Chinky's new AC. It was summer, and after office, Papa comes home today with his childhood friends Sumit uncle and Manish uncle. Hey, where is everybody? Look, Sumit uncle and Manish uncle have come. Gattu Chinky. Mummy comes after hearing Papa's voice and says to him,
Hey, you're here. Come inside. Gattu Chinky both are sitting in the AC room and they both are waiting for you only.
Then we should also go to the AC room. It is very hot outside. Come, Sumit, Manish. Yes. Let's go in AC.
You all go, till then I will make tea for all of you.
As soon as Papa opens the door of the AC room, a very cold breeze comes out from inside. Oh, it looks as if all of us have come to Manali. Why, Gattu Chinky?
Yes, Papa. Inside it is exactly like Manali.
But Papa, close the door. Otherwise it will soon become Mumbai again.
Everyone starts laughing at Chinky's words. Gattu Chinky both say hello to Sumit uncle and Manish uncle. But kids, this AC is not our old AC, is it? This is a new AC. When did this happen?
Just today, Papa. This is a long story.
Gattu dear, we all have a lot of time. So please tell us this long story of yours. Yes. I also want to know, Gattu.
So Papa, today was extremely hot. And when we returned from our school, we came here to turn on the AC. Then, Chinky, give me the AC remote quickly. Yes, here Gattu. Quickly switch on. That too on 18.
But as soon as Gattu switches on the AC, instead of cold air, hot air starts coming out of it.
What is this? Why hot air is coming out of this? And look, Gattu, water is also coming out from the AC. Wait, Chinky, I will quickly go and bring Mummy.
Gattu quickly goes to Mummy and brings her.
Oh, what happened, Gattu beta? Mummy, look there. AC is not working.
What? Not working? Oh God, the AC broke down in this heat.
Mummy, please call the uncle who repairs AC.
Yes, wait kids. I will call him right now.
Mummy quickly calls the AC repair company and calls the mechanic over. He comes over in a little while.
Uncle, this AC will be fixed today, right?
Kids, I think the AC has become quite old.
Yes, it is old.
I think you all should come to the company and see the new AC now. Because it will take a lot of time and money to repair it. It will be better to buy a new AC at this time.
What? Oh, Gattu Chinky, your father will not pick up calls in the office now. And by the time he comes back, all the shops will be closed.
Then what should we do, Mummy? Yes, Mummy. Do we have to sleep in this heat today?
No, kids. I have to work in the kitchen in this unbearable heat. After that, I cannot sleep also in this heat. Let's go and get a new AC right now.
What? Really, Mummy? Yay! Then I will get ready and come back, Mummy. You stay here. Yes, and me too.
Gattu Chinky go to get ready. And mechanic uncle says to Mummy, Madam, take our company card. If you buy a new AC from our company, you will get a 10% discount too.
Okay, then we will come to your company only.
Then uncle leaves. And after some time, Mummy Gattu Chinky get ready and go to see the new AC.
Gattu Chinky, look, there are so many models here. We have to select one out of them.
Mummy, look at this one. It is a complete digital AC. Look how high-tech its remote is. Yes, Gattu, you're right. This is really looking very good.
Just then, the manager uncle of the company comes and says, You guys have chosen a very good model, kids. This is the latest model. And it helps in saving a lot of electricity. And you will get this in your budget too.
Oh wow, this is a very good thing. Then we should buy this AC. What do you say, Gattu Chinky?
Yes, Mummy. This is the best AC.
Okay then, we are finalizing this.
Congratulations, madam, for your new AC. We will install your new AC in your home within an hour itself.
Oh wow, this is a good thing. This means Papa will get a surprise after coming back from office. What do you say, kids?
Yes, you are right, Mummy. Let's go home with a new AC. So, Papa, this is how we came home with a new AC today.
Wow, kids! You all have done a great job. I really have to admit that your mummy can do anything alone. She is no less than anyone else.
Right, Papa.
Yes, yes. And this model of AC is also very good. I have heard a lot about it. That is when mummy brings sweets and snacks to the room.
Yes, and that is why I bought this model. It also saves electricity. Anyways, here, you all eat sweets to celebrate the arrival of new AC.
Oh wow, sweets! Everyone eats sweets and enjoy a lot together. By the way, children, Manish uncle and Sumit uncle had specially come to meet you both.
Oh, is it true, Uncle?
Yes, yes, kids. And look at this. We have brought something for you too.
What is that, Uncle?
Look at this, Chinky. These are very special storybooks. Do you know why?
Why, Uncle?
Because when I, your father, and Manish uncle were small, these storybooks were very popular in the market. And we were always very excited to read them.
Yes. And today, when I found these storybooks while cleaning the house, I thought why not give them to both of you? A story written by your papa is also hidden inside this book.
What? Really? This is amazing, Papa.
No, kids. It is just like that. But yes, looking at these storybooks, all the old memories got refreshed. You will also like reading them a lot, kids. These books are really amazing. Yes, you are right. And Gattu Chinky, look, there are a lot of puzzles given at the end of these.
But, Uncle, you have already solved all the puzzles.
Oh, yes, I never thought of that. Manish, you are still as forgetful as before.
Okay, now you all have snacks too. Otherwise, it will get cold.
Yes, you are right. Our new AC is making it so cold that it will make the breakfast cold too soon. Come, let us finish it fast. Then everyone enjoys the breakfast made by mummy quickly.
By the way, Uncle, thank you so much for bringing these storybooks for us. Yes, Uncle, thank you so much. Really, today was a very good day. So many things happened with us today. First, we went to buy a new AC, and then we also got Papa's old storybooks. Sumit uncle and Manish uncle also came to meet us. And we also got sweets to eat, Chinky.
So, today was a very good day.
You are right, Mummy. And we hope that every day of ours goes like this only.
Then everyone sits in the cool air of the AC and talks about everything and also have dinner together.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.